Alright, it is a really rainy day here in Naples, and we are here at the Park Shore Resort at Bldgs J, and we are going to ride the elevator here, but it's not just any kind of elevator. Look at this. It's my very, very first elevator with PAYNE Fixtures. Oh gosh. We are in for a treat. Like I said, this is my very first PAYNE elevator. And it's in Florida, too. Here it is. GAL lantern. But look at these fixtures, though. And it's a West Coast elevator. Wow. 4? Right, here we go. Let's listen to the motor. Here we're on 4. That was a pretty nice sounding submersible pump. Look at these beautiful, very rare fixtures. Go down to G. Let's get a cab view. It's a pretty nice basic cab, although notice how the color of the ceiling tiles are the same as the cab walls. You don't typically see that. Here we are on G. Watch G go out. We'll take one more ride up. Or at least one more ride up. Here we go. Get a little still picture. Anyways, here we are up on 4. There's the lake that the resort is on. And look at this call station. Look at that, that's an interesting call station. Anyway, oh, and also the machine room is on the top, too. You don't typically see that with most hydraulic elevators. Here's a view up top. Looks like these people need to go down, so call it back down. 2G? Mm-hmm. Have a nice day. And you know what? Because this elevator is so rare, and you don't typically see this kind of elevator anywhere else but the New England region, let's give it one more ride, shall we? This is just amazing. I think West Coast Elevator was probably a distributor of PAYNE. There's your interlock. It's got a door sensor. It probably used to have a bumper originally. There's your door operator. And we will stop on 2 to see an intermediate call station first. I love the look of these buttons. They look kind of like a mix. This is kind of probably what it would look like if Westinghouse AE and the Dover older traditional had a baby. Anyways, here's a look at this call station. Wow. And we're gonna end on G. And of course you got a phone that is non-ADA compliant. And we're gonna get off here. Let me get back over here. And there it goes. That'll be it.